Alright guys, I try to keep these real quick because I know if you're working on a car, you don't feel like sitting through a 15-minute video of a bunch of nonsense. This is a 2009 Nissan Rogue, but this is pretty much how every car is going to be if you've got to replace the wheel studs. So all we're going to do is go back here. Now, technically, you should take off the brake caliper. Take off the brake caliper, one bolt here, one bolt down here, take that off. But I'm just gonna take off this whole thing. The bracket right here has a bolt here, and on the bottom, same thing. Take those off, they're gonna be tight as shit. And then you'll be able to pull your rotor off. Once we pull the rotor out, then we'll knock the bad studs out with a hammer, and I'll show you that in a second. Alright, so after you take that bracket off, just pull your rotor right off, and then whichever ones are broke, you're gonna knock them on out. This one had some that just weren't pulled all the way through, whoever replaced them last, so they've been messed up. But knock your old bolts out, get them out. If this heat shield's in your way, most of the time there's gonna be a way you could turn these until you can get them to a place where you can get them out, but I don't have to worry about that here. When you get your new ones in, you're just gonna slide them in through the back, put your rotor back on, tighten your nut down, and it's gonna pull it right in tight. Alright, so I only had to do one, and I already got it started because I forgot I was filming. When you pull your new nut through, it's kind of just gonna sit there, it's not gonna fit in the hole. But when you tighten that nut all the way down, put your wrench on it, tighten it all the way down, and then it'll get hard. And then you tighten it, tighten it, tighten it, and it will pull the other side through the hole. You're never gonna beat it in with a hammer or anything like that. Just tighten that thing right there until it pulls it all the way through. This will not work without the rotor on it. That's it.